am a baby. My name is Kimmy. I'm still a little baby. I never listen to everybody. Because I'm younger. I'm not know everything. Yeah. Uh-huh. She's a baby, right? Yeah. She's just 5 years old. Okay. She not know. She don't understand everything. About me. About everybody. Okay. Tell her baby. See, a baby, still a baby, and a little baby. See, baby.